امریکی صدر نے فیلڈ مارشل آصم منیر سے ملاقات کو اپنے لیے اعزاز قرار دے دیا ہے۔ ٹرمپ کا کہنا ہے کہ فیلڈ مارشل آصم منیر کو جنگ روکنے پر شکریہ ادا کرنے کے لیے وائٹ ہاؤس مدعو کیا تھا۔ پاکستان اور بھارت دونوں جوہری طاقتیں ہیں۔ فیلڈ مارشل آصم منیر کا شکریہ کہ وہ جنگ کی طرف نہیں گئے۔ امریکی صدر نے بتایا کہ ان سے ایران کے معاملے پر بھی بات ہوئی۔ امریکی صدر نے کہا کہ پاکستان ایران کو دیگر لوگوں کے مقابلے میں زیادہ بہتر جانتا ہے۔ پاکستانی اس صورتحال پر خوش نہیں ہیں۔ ٹرمپ نے مزید کہا کہ پاکستان انہیں پسند ہے اور پاکستانی بہت اچھے لوگ ہیں۔ ٹرمپ نے کہا کہ پاکستان کے ساتھ تجارتی معاہدے پر بات چیت ہو رہی ہے۔
President, in your meeting today with the Chief of Staff of the Pakistani Army, did you talk about Iran? Did that come up? Is there anything you can share from that meeting?
Yeah, well, they know Iran very well, better than most. And they're not happy about anything. It's not that they're bad with Israel. They know them both, actually, but they probably, maybe they know Iran better. But they see what's going on, and he agreed with me. The reason I had him here, I wanted to thank him for not going into the war, just, ending the war. And I want to thank, as you know, Prime Minister Modi just left, just a little while ago, just left. And we're working a trade deal with India. We're working a trade deal with Pakistan. And they were both here, but I was with Modi a few weeks ago. He was here, actually. But now we speak to him, and I'm so happy. There was a deal that two smart people, plus, they have people on their staff too, but two smart people, two very smart people decided not to keep going with that war. That could have been a nuclear war. Those are two nuclear powers, big ones, big nuclear powers, and they decided not. So I was honored to meet him today.